The first graders would now like to sing America. The second song, There Are Many Flags in Many Lands, is a very old, famous patriotic song written by Miss M.H. Alston in 1899. The first graders would like to sing it for your listening pleasure.
Aww.